Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a really great day. So in today's video, I wanted to go over just a few things that are new in the house. I'm gonna have to go downstairs to actually grab one of the items, but I just, well, maybe like an hour ago, came off of live, and I already kind of shared the video. But in a week, my electrician will be here, and I'm gonna be getting lights installed, and I have to get 2 outlet plugs moved over because the cabinet, due to coating, there's 2 plugs that the cabinets are going to cover, and if I don't move them in the future, the house will not pass inspection. The ones on the back wall, holes can be put in, and then holes are going to be added on top. Grommets are going to be placed, that way I can in the future drop cords down in there. And then I need light fixtures to be installed. So currently, for the sake of the YouTube video, you guys, I'm going to say master bedroom. When you read my blog and I'm writing for like design and stuff, we're going to say owner suite. I just don't want people to be confused and they're like, what's the difference? The difference is people are making a really big deal about saying like master bedroom, and now you can't use the word master. So I'm still going to say master bedroom, but when I write my blogs, because I do know some of those things are like company collabs and design related, I'm going to say owner suite. With all of that being said, my light in the master will not be getting changed out, just in case you guys were like, you're changing now. In the master bathroom, there is 3 lights. There's 2 in the closets, and then there's 1 in the water room, okay? So this light, which like I said, I just put it together because I was live and I shared it. This one here is going to be going into the water room. It is a flush mount. My electrician, he normally takes the lights that he takes down and he brings them and he donates them to his church, and then his church gives it to like someone in need. So when he takes my lights down, they do get donated, because I feel like because I don't say things like that, you guys think I'm being wasteful with stuff, but I always try to do that. Even when it came to the flooring that I removed, the guy who put the flooring down, he called one of his church members. They came and they picked everything up and they put it in their new home because they needed flooring. So what I can donate, I 100% always try to. The next one, you guys, it's the same exact light. Thank God. This came in a large, medium, and a small. I did medium and small. So these are going to go inside of the closet. Again, let me just give you guys a quick little update on why I opted for this. I'm going to take this off. You guys, it's so pretty. It's gold. The reason why I wanted this, if you go down sometimes to the description, if you're unsure of the bulb and the lighting itself, they'll have like, I want to say, because I already bought the bulbs, it said like E something. I can't really remember. And all I did is I copied and pasted, put it into the Google search, and it showed me the base. A lot of the light fixtures have changed to the candelabra light bulbs, and it's not that I don't like it. I just don't like it. It does not give the light, the rooming light. When I turn on the light in my living room, it's still dark, and I'm not saying it like it's dark. No, it's dark. Like, I turn the light on and I can't see anything. So I'm just like that. And it's only 2. It just doesn't give off enough light. So I wanted to have something that was going to offer the really large base bulbs. That way I could actually get a lot of lighting, especially in the closet where there's no windows, no light is coming in whatsoever. Don't have a skylight, although I would like to. So I don't have that option. So definitely when you're looking for your lights, if that's something that you're also interested in, I would 100% read that. Does it say it here? It was like E something. Anywho, most of these, they're like a 60 watt, and if you get the energy efficient, you can actually go a little bit higher and it'll still do the 60. But you guys, hold on. I really like the light. And I wasn't looking for it to complement this one here because I'm looking at it. This looks a lot more orangey than this one. The bathroom is going to have its own little thing. It's gonna be borderline glam and not YouTube glam, y'all. So don't think it's gonna be like a whole bunch of, I don't know. Y'all know. The next thing that I want to share with you guys is something that I have been loving. This is by way of a collaboration that Nitra had. And again, I saw the Instagram feed. The minute I saw the swipe up, I was like, oh yes, honey, I'm finna buy this. So around Christmas, Nitra had a collaboration with Best Buy. Excuse me. And one of the items that she featured was the Sun Pack Ultimate Vlogging Kit. Now, if you're on social media, you might be like, I don't need it. But I think this is really good to have even if you're not on social media, only because I say that it has a ring light. You can either put your phone left and right, or you can have it in the middle. This is really good if you're doing like stories, if you're doing reels, if you are doing like Zoom meetings and you don't have whatever in your office or whatever. It's a little pricey. I'm not gonna lie. I want to say it's like $100 and something, but I really do love it. I'm not having to like hold my phone or figure out where things are at. And I actually, it's not pieces. This is for me to put together something else that I put. This is it right here. Okay, so dog, my phone is not here. My phone's not here. But normally I just put my phone in here. I take the plug, I plug it on the back. You can cut the ring light on. I went live with Nadesh Filmon. She's a cook and she also runs a thing on IG TV, where she does these like hour things talking about just like growth and your business and all that stuff and branding and everything. So I did that with her. So this was like really good, you guys. I absolutely love this. It's amazing. I will leave it linked down below if you guys are interested. All right. So now that I've gotten that out of the way, I wanted to talk to you guys about something else that I have been dealing with privately. When it happens, I want to say that I want to like record content and have it ready, but the truth of the matter is I don't know where I'm going to be at like headspace wise, so I don't want to tell you that I am going to have content ready, because I may not have any content ready. I don't know. I am going to have surgery. I'm sure a lot of you guys, because I get comments all the time and I'm like, I already spoke about this 2 years ago, but my thyroid gland is swollen, which I'm sure a lot of you guys have probably taken notice of it. I was really scared because in the past, one horror story had me freaked out, which was the person went in to have the surgery and the doctor ended up crushing her vocal cords and now she can't speak. And that one story freaked me out, because you guys know I use my mouth on my platform. So trying to imagine not being able to do that freaks me out a lot, so I just put it off for the longest time. But considering, you know, you don't want the nodules to then turn around and turn cancerous, I have to go ahead and have surgery. I'm a little scared. I am freaked out, but you know, just gotta do what I have to do. That's where I'm at right now. A part of me is like, record a bunch of content just in case. But then another part of me is like, you pray, you trust God, you know, the God that you serve. Whatever's gonna happen is gonna happen, and you just kind of roll with the punches. But y'all, if you come to my channel and there's somebody's voice doing my voiceovers, just understand, you know, I'm trying to make light of the situation. It's not funny, but what can you do? You know what I'm saying? What can you do? But that's where we're at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and run downstairs real quick because there's 2 more samples that I want to share with you. One of them I already shared it, but I got a new sample in that I want to share with you guys really quickly. I may have mentioned this before and I may have not mentioned this, but this is actually the exact rug that is in my bedroom right now. But it comes in, I think, 5 different variations of color. One has like a red orange, then you have this one, then you have the one in my room, and then you have another one that has like purple, which is why I really do love this. I mean, this rug feels absolutely amazing. It feels amazing to walk on. It feels amazing to touch. This is part of like a more of a luxury line for them. You can find Sierra at Home Goods. Those are part of the lower line of rugs. Not that they're bad, you can still use them, but I wanted to go with something a little bit nicer. And then I ended up ordering some more samples. This one here, which I love, is going to go under the dining table. So you guys know it's an open plan downstairs. You have the living and then the dining. It definitely goes really nicely, if I can do this, with the middle of the rug. And so I really do like it. I think it's pretty. If you guys can remember, the back of my chair has like this really nice fabric on the back. I did change those. So that's another customization that you can do with your furniture also. Like, everyone can have the same chair, but just doing that small detail of a change like customizes it. But that's pretty much it. I do like this. This one is part of their lower grade rug. I can definitely get it cleaned, but you know, in 2 years when the kids have, you know, had their way with it, I can always just change it and not feel some type of way about it. This one here is a little bit more than that. I plan on keeping it up. Plus it's going in the living room. Honestly, the living room is just for looks, you guys. I highly doubt that thing is going to get any foot traffic. For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, my dining room table, unfortunately, not the whole thing is lost by this point. You can say the whole thing, they can't find it. I hate saying lost because I feel like it's there, but the freight company cannot find the base. So now I am going to order another base, let them expedite it, because my sofa just arrived yesterday. And because my sofa arrived, I would like to have those two things arrive together. And then my sectional is going to be ready January 18th. And then my section is going to be ready January 17th. My office is going to be installed January 18th. My bed is going to be coming in. Oh, the credenza for upstairs is going to be coming in around March 20th. My bed is going to be coming in March 26th. The bar stools is going to be coming in March 4th. So basically January, February, March, furniture is going to be just kind of like trickling in slowly but surely. Y'all, this has probably been like a 7-month because I ordered it back in September. So this is pretty much, let me see, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, almost like 7 months. My bed, I ordered it December 20th, so that's not bad. That's 3 months. You know, the bed is 3 months. But even though I say that, let me just say this, because even though I give you guys the dates, I still have not accounted for every item going into freight, them doing inventory, blah, 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 setting the shipping date. So these are just potential dates of when it'll be done and be submitted in to be able to go ship. So that date can change too. So but that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you watched the video through and through, I am seriously asking for prayer warriors, because I'm scared. I don't want to admit it, but I am, just because I know at this point I'm putting my life in someone else's hand. And honey, the way the atmosphere is right now in the world, I want to just think positively about the whole situation. But you know, I've had my experience in the past and it hasn't been good, so there is that. Okay, but I'm gonna be hopeful. But you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm gonna go ahead and head to the laundromat. So y'all have a really great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I'm currently in my bathroom and I'm looking into my bedroom. I wanted you guys to see my view. Okay, so here is the water room. Just changed the lights. You guys are gonna get to see what was there before. And then here is the other closet, which I'm about to work on now. Unfortunately, IKEA is just running out of things, so I was only able to get 3 drawers today. The painters are going to come in a couple of days. I'm gonna get all of this trimmed with crown molding. And on this side right here, I'm gonna do some hooks that's gonna kind of meet here and here, so I can hang my robes and things and they can be lined up. The drawers are gonna go here. I'm gonna do shelvings so I can have my candles and everything. It's so white, you guys, it's just blurry. At some point, everything is gonna have to get like taped down or taken out. That way, I'll be able to sand and have this area painted. The next thing that's gonna happen is base trim has to go down here with shoe molding. I really wish I had taken the time, and I still may do it, yeah. But here is the wine fridge. Right now it's here, you guys, but I'm not gonna leave it in this closet. It's so small. Now that I'm putting the drawers, I want to be able to open this up. So the back closet will look like this with the unit. Oh, you guys, it's a lot. Let me go ahead and start. Okay, so here is what the closet looks like, you guys, which I love. Again, I was only able to get 3 drawers when I went to IKEA. I still need 2 more. Again, the mini fridge will be moved out. But for the sake of a video that I have coming up, I'm going to leave it here so I can share the mini fridge. But I will be moving it after that video into the back closet. But the back closet is just a hot mess right now. But I do love this so very much. And as you can see, it looks really clean because I also picked this up. Okay, which are these guys. And I did the holes even here. You see that? It just looks better. If you're thinking about doing anything IKEA, definitely consider covering the holes. It just gives it a much cleaner look. You can see from here to here how that looks so different. That's pretty much it. Somewhere in the video, what I was trying to say is, I wish I had taken the time to do like a 1x4, 1x6 and elevate it and have the crown molding, the base trim go all the way around and then do the crown and then do, you know, crown above it just to make it look a little bit more custom. But again, this is just personal, you know what I'm saying? Not really necessary. And look at the light. Oh, you guys, I installed that by myself, okay? Just in case I thought I wasn't handy. She is. Anyway, have a really great day, you guys. Bye.